The skunk is one of the most recognizable and at the same time underestimated animals of North America. Its distinctive black and white coloring and legendary ability to defend itself have made it the hero of many myths, caricatures, cartoons, and folktales. But behind this comic image lies a fascinating creature with unique anatomy, habits, and an important role in the ecosystem. In this article, we will take a detailed look at the biology, behavior, evolution, interaction with humans, and the significance of the skunk in nature and culture. Skunks belong to the Mephididae family. Previously, they were included in the mustelid family, but genetic studies have identified them as a separate branch. There are about 12 species of skunks, the most famous of which is the striped skunk, Mephidus mephidus. It is distributed throughout North America, from Canada to Mexico. Skunks are also found in South America, and one species is found in Indonesia and the Philippines. Externally, the skunk is a medium-sized animal, about 60 centimeters long with a tail, weighing up to 5 kilograms. Its main visual feature is a black body with white stripes running along the back and diverging towards the head. This coloring does not serve as camouflage, but on the contrary, as a warning to predators. In zoology, this behavior is called aposematism, when a bright appearance signals toxicity, aggression, or other defense mechanisms. The main calling card of the skunk is its ability to throw out a foul-smelling liquid from the anal glands in case of danger. This secretion has a sharp, persistent odor that can cause burning, tearing, and even temporary loss of smell. The skunk can aim quite accurately at a distance of up to 3 to 4 meters, and its weapon is used only in case of emergency. Before using defense, the skunk demonstrates warning behavior, stamps its paws, arches its back, raises its tail. This allows you to avoid conflict without using a secretion because its restoration requires time and energy. The liquid that the skunk throws out consists of sulfur compounds, thiols, known for their extremely unpleasant odor. Scientists have identified several types of these chemical compounds, and their molecules are very volatile, due to which the smell spreads quickly. It is difficult to clean clothes or wool from such a smell. Folk remedies include tomato juice, vinegar, hydrogen peroxide, and baking soda. All this helps to partially neutralize sulfur compounds. Despite their defensive ability, skunks are generally peaceful and calm animals. They lead a predominantly nocturnal lifestyle, living in burrows, tree hollows, or under buildings. Unlike many predators, they are not aggressive, and if not provoked, skunks avoid contact with people and other animals. They feed mainly on insects, larvae, small rodents, frogs, bird eggs, fruits, and plant debris. This makes them important ecosystem cleaners. They regulate the number of pests, participate in the decomposition of carrion, and help clean forests and fields. The mating season for skunks begins in late winter, early spring. During this period, males actively travel in search of females and can enter into conflicts with other males. After mating, the female is pregnant for about 60 days, after which she gives birth to 4 to 7 cubs. The babies are born blind and naked, but after a couple of weeks they begin to develop very quickly. By autumn they become independent and leave their mother. Skunks have natural enemies, but there are few of them. Due to their ability to defend themselves, most predators avoid encounters with them. However, eagle owls, especially the great horned eagle, are not afraid of the smell and hunt skunks. This is perhaps the only major natural enemy of these animals. By the way, skunks have an excellent sense of smell and hearing but poor eyesight. They rely on smells to navigate in space, find food, and recognize their relatives and enemies. Their world is a world of smells, signals, and marks. Skunks actively use odorous secretions not only for protection, but also for communication. During the mating season, males leave marks, signaling their readiness to mate. The skunk is an example of how unusual behavior can ensure the survival of a species for millions of years. Its defense mechanism is seemingly primitive, but extremely effective. Its habits are unique, and its role in nature is significant. It reminds us that even the most inconspicuous inhabitants of the planet deserve attention and respect. In conclusion, it is worth saying that the skunk is not just a comic character or the owner of an unpleasant smell. It is a smart, hardy animal adapted to life in different conditions and is an important part of the natural balance. Its history is a lesson in adaptation, protection, survival, and how nature creates complex and elegant mechanisms to preserve life. Skunk deserves to be understood and protected.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like it.